up guys, so it's me and I'm about to eat multiple ice cream, many ice cream, and it's gonna be a buffet. It's gonna be so much ice cream. I don't know if I can finish it, but let's go. What's up guys, so it's here, the ice cream, look how much it is. I don't know if I can finish this, but I'm gonna try, and then I'll show you the finished product. I'm not gonna throw it away though. That's a sure thing. So let's go try it. Hi guys, so the ice cream, I finished it right here. It's amazing, right? No, I'm just kidding. I didn't finish it. I had hope. In Temecula, of course, and I'm gonna go bowling once again, but not in Marietta. So, and my name is up there. It's blinking. I'm gonna show you in a few minutes. So let's go. I didn't win, unfortunately, but I got second place. That's the end of my video. Be sure to like and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. And if you want to keep seeing more, keep watching. Until the next adventure, let's go.